And so we're at Texas Dodge, and Brandon decided to give me the keys to a brand new Rubicon for the day. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is the same day as picking up Kevin's Demon. So we're at Texas Dodge, and Brandon decided to give me the keys to a brand new Rubicon for the day. So we're gonna test it out, kind of give you guys my thoughts on it. I haven't owned my Jeep for, how long has it been now, like 3 months? Yeah, I haven't had my Wrangler for 3 months. They really wanted me to trade mine in, but I got the Ford, as you know. I'm still interested in getting a Jeep eventually, just don't know when that'll be. So they decided to give me the keys to a brand new Rubicon. So we're gonna drive this today and go over the features and benefits and what this one has. And we're with Kennedy. And by the end of this video, he's gonna have purchased the Jeep. Don't listen to her. Hopefully my mom's not watching. She's gonna be like, you bought another car? Alright, so Kennedy is hooking up her phone right now so we can get some jams going. First thing we've noticed is that the ceiling feels a lot shorter, although there's larger cutouts. But I think the seat sits a little higher, so this is about eye level for me, and the dash feels a lot lower, which is kind of cool because it's easier to see over the hood. But definitely, I'm 6'1", and I feel like I just feel kind of cramped, but I know there's more headroom. I just feel cramped. Probably also because I haven't been in a Jeep in a couple months, so I'm not used to it. So this is not the 8.4-inch screen. This is the little bit smaller screen. This does have the Alpine stereo, so it does have the upgraded stereo system. But this is the smaller screen. You can still get the 8.4-inch screen. So we're gonna take this bad boy out. All right, so we'll do a walk around once we get to the house so I can show you guys exactly what's done to this Jeep, how it's spec'd out. But so far, the dash does feel farther away. Like Kennedy said, you feel like you have more space in between you and the dash. So far, driving-wise, it feels really smooth on the road. The steering's a little light, but that's, you know, it is a Jeep and it's really freaking windy today, so that's just gonna happen. But it feels really smooth on the road. I do like the new 8-speed transmission. It shifts really nicely. I hate the auto start stop shit. I have that on my truck also. So we turn that off. You can turn it off here with all your other switches. So yeah, keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so here's a little walk around. So it's a 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. It's the 4-door. It doesn't have the steel bumper package, so these are the plastic bumpers. So you can get the steel bumper package where you can take off the ends, kind of like the ones from the Hard Rock 10th anniversary from those Jeeps. These hoods do come stock on Rubicons, which is really cool. See, it doesn't have the LEDs, so this is the non-LED package also. So the lights are still pretty cool. It's got the little Jeep grill in there, which is a nice feature, but these are non-LEDs. It does not have it where you walk up and it unlocks, but you can also get that feature. Like I said, the doors are cool now because they have the hinges on them, so they don't just slam on you. So this one's listed for $48,000. So it's got the active safety group, which gets the park rear assist, blind spot, LED tail lights, but not the front headlights. This is the 3.6 liter, obviously, with the 8-speed transmission. This is the black hardtop, but it does have paint matched fender flares, which is really cool. I like that. This one does have the remote start system and the Alpine premium audio system, which I'll show you guys that here in just a second. So lift this up. So this is the Alpine premium audio. So you get a sub with an amp back here, which looks really cool. Definitely makes the sound really nice. Also got a cigarette lighter back here. So yeah, I would definitely have the LED lamps. And if I'm gonna get the paint match fender flares, I'd probably get the paint match top. They have a silver one at Texas Dodge. Everything's paint matched, and I think it looks really good. So here's the interior. I didn't even realize this one's not leather either. So it doesn't have the LED package and doesn't have the auxiliary outputs, which you can add like your winch and stuff. It just has the media package. So front and rear locking differentials, switches right here. I think it's a really cool how they did it instead of having them on the left side like the JK did. Sway bar disconnect button. Obviously your window switches are still here in the center. This is the smaller screen, so you can still get the 8.4-inch, which would be a nice upgrade. So I'm guessing it would kind of be where this bottom trim piece goes and maybe a little bit bigger. We do really like this red. That's a nice accent on the Rubicon. Yeah, it's got the Alpine audio system. I do like the shift lever. So personally, driving it, it definitely rides a lot smoother than a JK. Not a huge difference, but you do feel like you're sitting more above the dash, and it kind of looks like you have more view over the hood. But I really like it. Would I spend the money instead of a JK? Probably not. Unless you're looking for a better daily driver, but you still want to have a Wrangler, then I would definitely spend the money. But I think if you're going to build one for like a weekend crawler, or you like to do a lot of off-road trips, I don't really think it's worth it. Unless you have a lot of miles on your JK and you're really looking to upgrade, or like I said, you prefer the little bit nicer interior. So I would definitely, if you're looking to trade yours in, I'd definitely go drive one and see if the differences are worth it or not. To me, if I still had my JK, I probably would just keep it, honestly, after driving this. I mean, don't get me wrong, the JL is super nice. It's a really nice Jeep. It's got really cool amenities, but I don't think that I would trade in my JK for it. I just don't think it's, I still don't think it's worth it, honestly. There's not huge differences besides the look of the interior, but like the actual feel of the Jeep and driving the Jeep, I don't think is too much different, besides it rides a little bit smoother. There's still some wind noise from the hardtop, and I thought they were going to get rid of that, but it's got still about the same road noise from the hardtop. Still haven't checked out the soft top yet. No one has that one yet, the one that rolls back. So that'd be interesting to see that. And that's going to do it for this video. So the next video is going to be Kennedy's review on the Jeep. She's going to drive it around a little bit. But a huge shout out to Brandon and Luis at Texas Dodge. Make sure you check them out. Really nice of them to let us drive this around for a day and get a feel for what the new Jeep JL is like. I'm really excited that I got to finally drive it. Here's the screen though. We'll just go through. It's got the radio, it's got Sirius XM, all that good stuff. Media, you can hook up your phone. It's got Apple CarPlay. Touch. This is all touchscreen, which is really nice. Climate control. You got your apps. So this is like your typical Uconnect system, and then obviously you can go through your phone. And actually, it has a compass app, which is kind of cool on there. That would be the biggest thing over the JK, is how nice this screen is compared to the screens that you could get in the upgrade for the JK. This Uconnect system is really nice. Same screen that's in all the new Jeeps and new Dodges. So that part's really cool. But yeah, make sure you hit up Texas Dodge if you're in the surrounding area. They'll even ship vehicles to you. Brandon and Luis get really good deals. And if you guys actually mention me, they'll give you the Van Voorst discount. So make sure you guys check them out if you're in the area, or if you need a vehicle shipped to you. They've got a great selection of Jeeps, Hellcats, Dodge trucks, Chargers, Challengers, anything you need, they can get it. They even have a huge selection of used vehicles also. So that's gonna do it for the video. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on the JL. This one's $48,000, but it doesn't have the LED package. The hardtop is not painted to match, it's black. It doesn't have leather. Doesn't have navigation. I just realized that.
Well, it does when
through the Apple CarPlay, but it doesn't actually have navigation through the Uconnect. You need the other screen for that.
Well,
but
maybe. It might.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
So you can use, but you can use your phone. So let me know what you guys think on the JL below. If you have one, comment and let me know what you guys think about it. But compared to a JK, I still prefer my JK, although the interior is really nice on this. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. We'll see you guys.
And follow Kennedy McCall on Instagram.
Follow her.